Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi speed too slow on iPhone. If you have an iPhone and you are connecting to Wi-Fi but your Wi-Fi speed is too much slow, so how can you fix it? First, you have to scroll the control panel down, and here make sure you have connected to Wi-Fi, and after that you have a power option on the top right corner of the screen. You just have to power off your phone and then power it on again. You just have to make a long press on this icon, and after that slide it to power off and then power on your phone again. After doing this, just unlock your phone, and here open settings. In settings, open battery option, and here you can see that I have enabled low power mode, so you just have to turn it off. After doing this, just go back to main settings, then open Wi-Fi settings, and Wi-Fi, tab on the I icon of the connected Wi-Fi network, and here you have enabled low data mode, so you just have to turn it off. And after doing this, just go back. So after that this problem will be solved, but if it doesn't solve, you just have to tap on the I icon of your connected Wi-Fi network, and then here's the option of forget this network, just tap on it, and after that reconnect to your Wi-Fi. And if the problem doesn't solve, so you just have to go back, and here select the general settings. In general, just scroll down, and here you have the option of VPN and device management. Just tap on it, and here you can see I have not connected to any VPN, but if you are connected to any VPN, you just have to disconnect your VPN, and after doing this your Wi-Fi will be stable. But if it doesn't work, so you just have to keep a last step, which is reset your network settings. Just open the setting, transfer or reset iPhone, and in this just tap on reset, and here the reset network settings, you just have to tap on it and you enter your passcode to reset your network setting, and after that your Wi-Fi speed will be fixed and you can use a faster internet. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.